Hello sayo student, ako si Sir Bryan, at nandito ka sa aking channel na The Millennial Teacher. Nandito ako para tulungan ka sa math subject mo. Nagtuturo ako ng mga topics mula grade 7 hanggang grade 10. Pero bago natin umpisahan ang klase, iniimbitahan kitang mag-subscribe sa akin channel at pindutin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload ko na tiyak na makakatulong sa'yo. Simulan na natin ang klase. Ito ang part 3 video ko tungkol sa special product. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang part 1 at part 2 ng video ko, ay ilalagay ko sa description ang link para mapanood mo student. Ang topic na ituturo ko ngayon ay product of the sum and difference of two terms. The product of the sum and the difference of the same two terms is equal to the difference of the squares of these terms. Apply natin sa mga sumusunod na halimbawa student. Example number 1. Quantity a plus 1 times quantity a minus 1. The value of x is equal to a and the value of y is equal to 1. Using the form x squared minus y squared, ay magiging a raised to 2 minus 1 raised to 2. By simplifying, magiging a squared minus 1. At ayan ang final answer student. Example number 2 ay quantity 8b plus 1 times quantity 8b minus 1. The value of x is equal to 8b and the value of y is equal to 1. Using the form x squared minus y squared, ay magiging 8b raised to 2 minus 1 raised to 2. By simplifying, magiging 8 raised to 2 is equal to 64. And b raised to 2 is equal to b squared minus 1 raised to 2 is equal to 1. Kaya, ang final answer natin student ay 64b squared minus 1. Example number 3 ay quantity e squared plus 2 times quantity e squared minus 2. The value of x is equal to e squared, and the value of y is equal to 2. Using the form x squared minus y squared, ay magiging e squared raised to 2 minus 2 raised to 2. By simplifying, magiging e squared raised to 2. By applying the power rule, just multiply the exponent. At magiging e raised to 4 minus 2 squared is equal to 4. At ang final answer student ay e raised to 4 minus 4. Next ay example number 4. Quantity 5/8 squared plus 9b times quantity 5/8 squared minus 9b. The value of x is equal to 5/8 squared, and the value of y is equal to 9b. Using the form x squared minus y squared, ay magiging 5/8 squared raised to 2 minus 9b raised to 2. By simplifying, magiging 5 raised to 2 is equal to 25. And a squared raised to 2. By applying the power rule, just multiply the 2 by 2. Kaya, magiging a raised to 4 minus 9 raised to 2 is equal to 81. And b raised to 2 is equal to b squared. Kaya, ang final answer student ay 25a raised to 4 minus 81b squared. For the last and example number 5 is quantity 3/8 squared b plus z times quantity 3/8 squared b minus z. The value of x is equal to 3/8 squared b and the value of y is equal to z. Using the form x squared minus y squared, ay magiging 3/8 squared b raised to 2 minus z raised to 2. By simplifying, magiging 3 raised to 2 is equal to 9. A squared raised to 2. By applying the power rule, just multiply the 2 by 2. Kaya magiging a raised to 4 and b raised to 2 is equal to b squared minus z raised to 2 is equal to z squared. Kaya, ang final answer, student ay 9. A raised to 4. B squared, minus z squared. And, for the bonus example, we have quantity a plus 2 minus b times quantity a plus 2 plus b. In this case, ay mayroon na tayong 3 terms sa bawat factor. To solve this problem, ay kailangan na nating gumamit ng grupang symbol na bracket. Kaya magiging quantity a plus 2 minus b times quantity a plus 2 plus b. In this case, the value of x is equal to a plus 2. And, the value of y is equal to b. Using the form x squared minus y squared, ay magiging quantity a plus 2 raised to 2 minus b raised to 2. By simplifying, apply natin, student, ang square of binomial. Raised natin, sa 2, ang first term ng binomial. Kaya magiging a raised to 2 plus, multiplied by 2, the terms of binomial. Kaya magiging 2 times a times 2 plus, raised sa 2, ang second term ng binomial. Kaya magiging 2 raised to 2 minus b raised to 2 is equal to b squared. By simplifying, magiging a raised to 2 is equal to a squared plus 2 times a is equal to 2a and 2a times 2 is equal to 4a plus 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4 minus b squared. By rearranging the terms, ang final answer, student, ay a squared minus b squared plus 4a plus 4. Hopefully, may natutunan ka sa video na ito, student. At huwag mo na din kalimutan mag-subscribe and share mo na din ito sa kapwa mo mag-aaral na kailangan matutunan ang topic na ito. Muli, ako si Sir Bryan, ang iyong Millennial Teacher. And, see you sa my next class.